Have you ever stood by a pond watching fish swim? Maybe you've felt the gentle breeze, heard the soft rustle of leaves, and noticed how time seems to slow down. In that moment, the world's worries fade away, replaced by a sense of calm and wonder. There's a quiet magic in that moment. The water reflects the sky, the fish glide effortlessly, and you're reminded of the beauty and simplicity. You toss in some food, and they gather, simple yet powerful. It's a small gesture, but it creates a ripple of life and excitement in the water. For centuries, people have believed feeding fish brings good luck and washes away troubles. It's a tradition passed down through generations, a ritual that connects us to our ancestors and their hopes for a better life. This act connects you to nature, to the gentle rhythm of life that flows all around us, and something bigger than yourself. It's a reminder that we're all part of a larger story, woven together by small acts of kindness. It's a way to find peace in a busy world, to pause and breathe, to let your mind settle like the still surface of a pond, to invite positive energy into your life. Each handful of food is like a wish, a hope for happiness and harmony. Why does this small act matter? Because it's a moment to reflect, to be present, and to nurture something outside yourself. Because it's a conscious choice to do good, to connect, to share a smile or a quiet moment with others, and to build memories that last. To believe you can change your fortune. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, plants a seed for a brighter future. Imagine your life as an island. Sometimes the tides are rough, storms roll in, but even on the darkest days, there's a way to bring light and hope back to your shores. Feeding fish is like finding a hidden spring of fresh water, an unexpected source of renewal and joy, a resource, a tool, a secret. It's a gentle reminder that happiness can be found in the simplest of actions, if only we take the time to notice. It doesn't require much effort or money, just a willingness to give and a moment of your day. But the rewards can be huge. You'll feel lighter, more connected, and maybe even a little luckier. It's about the small, consistent things you do, not grand gestures. These are the habits that shape your days and ultimately your destiny. Feeding fish is a challenge to yourself. Can you be consistent, compassionate, open to change? The game is on, and every day is a new chance to try. Let's dive in and discover how this peaceful act can transform your life from the inside out. Sometimes the smallest acts hold the greatest power to change our world. Life is a series of choices, some good, some not so good. That's karma. Every day, we make decisions, big and small, that shape the course of our lives and the lives of those around us. Sometimes we act with kindness and compassion. Other times, we may fall short of our own ideals. But the beauty of karma is that it's not set in stone. It's a living, breathing force that responds to our actions and intentions. Every action has a reaction, like a boomerang. What we send out into the world, whether it's a word, a thought, or a deed, eventually finds its way back to us. The ripples we create can travel far beyond what we can see, touching lives in ways we may never fully understand. If you feel weighed down by past mistakes, you're not stuck. The past may shape us, but it doesn't have to define us. We all have moments we wish we could change, but growth comes from acknowledging them and choosing a new path forward. You can change your karma, balance the scales. Each new day is an opportunity to tip the balance toward the good, to make amends, and to start fresh. The universe is always listening, always ready to meet you halfway when you take steps toward positive change. Feeding fish is a powerful way to do this. It's a simple act, but it carries deep meaning. By nourishing another living being, you're participating in a cycle of generosity and care that echoes through the natural world. It's an act of selfless giving, providing for a creature that can't ask for help. In that moment, you're not seeking anything in return. You're simply giving, and that pure intention is what makes the act so powerful. This kindness sends a message to the universe. I want to do good. I want to make things right. It's a declaration that you're ready to move forward, to let go of guilt, and to embrace a more compassionate way of living. Think of your karma like a ledger. Every act is an entry. Each time you choose kindness, you're adding to your balance, building a foundation of goodwill that supports you through life's challenges. Feeding fish is a positive deposit, balancing out the negatives. It's a tangible way to show that you're committed to making things better, both for yourself and for the world around you. Over time, these small acts add up, creating a wave of positive energy. The more you give, the more you receive, not always in obvious ways, but in the subtle shifts of your own heart and mind. This energy can wash away the effects of past actions, giving you a fresh start. Just as water cleanses and renews, so too can your good deeds cleanse your spirit and open the door to new possibilities. It's not about buying your way out of trouble, but about genuine change. True transformation comes from the heart, from a sincere desire to grow and to help others along the way. When you feed fish, you're offering compassion, making a conscious effort to be a force for good. You're choosing to be present, to act with intention, and to create a better future for yourself and those around you. The universe recognizes this intention, and that's how healing begins. With every act of kindness, you invite light into your life, dissolving the shadows of the past. You're not waiting for things to get better, you're making them better. You're taking responsibility for your journey, one step, one act at a time. It all starts with this one simple, powerful act. The journey to karmic balance is made up of moments like these, small, sincere gestures that, over time, transform your life and the world around you. Our world is loud and demanding. Stress and anxiety build up. We all need an escape, a way to reconnect with ourselves. Feeding fish is meditation in motion. When you visit a pond or river, you leave the chaos behind and enter nature's calm. The sound of water, the gentle movement of fish. It's soothing, mesmerizing. As you focus on feeding, your mind quiets, worries fade. You're present in the moment, watching the fish swim and eat. This breaks the cycle of stressful thoughts. Feeding fish is a mindful activity, fully engaging your senses. You feel the food, hear the splashes, watch the movements. This grounds you, lowers your heart rate, and reduces stress. The calm you create stays with you long after you leave. You've built a small island of peace you can return to anytime. No expensive retreats needed, just water, fish, and your willingness to be still. It's a simple path to a more peaceful, centered you. Everyone wants good fortune, success, happiness, stability. Ancient traditions say our fortune is tied to the energy we attract. Feeding fish is a master key for unlocking positive energy. Water symbolizes flow and abundance. Fish represent life and prosperity. When you feed fish, you participate in this cycle of abundance. You give, and the universe is primed to give back. Each act sends out ripples of positivity, touching everything around you. It can smooth out problems, attract opportunities, and improve your finances. People who practice this often report unexpected windfalls, not coincidences, but the universe responding. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a foundation of positive energy built over time. The more you give, the more you open yourself to receive. Feeding fish aligns your energy with prosperity. You're not just hoping for luck, you're creating it. Become a magnet for good fortune, starting with this simple, generous act. Astrology is a map of your life, showing strengths, weaknesses, and challenges. Sometimes tough planetary positions called doshas create obstacles. Feeding fish is a powerful remedy, especially for planets like Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. These planets are linked with delays and sudden problems. By feeding fish, you perform an act of service, pleasing these planets and pacifying their harsh energy. Fish live in water, symbolizing the subconscious and the unknown. Feeding them brings light into hidden realms, addressing the root of problems. For Saturn, it shows you're willing to do the work, lessening its restrictive influence. You don't need to be an astrology expert. If you feel stuck, this is a simple, effective step. It generates positive karmic energy, shielding you from negative planetary influences. It clears your path and turns obstacles into opportunities. A practical way to work with your birth chart's energies. Spirituality is about connection with yourself, others, and the world. True growth happens through action, not just words. Feeding fish is a hands-on lesson in compassion. You're caring for another living being, expecting nothing in return. This selfless act opens your heart, chipping away at selfishness. Regular kindness transforms your character, making you gentler and more aware of others' needs. Compassion spills over into all areas of your life: family, work, strangers. The kindness you show to fish becomes part of who you are. Every time you feed them, you plant a seed of compassion in your soul. With time, that seed grows, expanding your capacity for love and kindness. You become a source of light and comfort for those around you. You're not just feeding fish, you're feeding your own spirit. Getting started is simple. No special equipment needed, just intention. Find a natural body of water where fish live. Use small balls of wheat or gram flour, natural, easy to digest. Avoid processed foods like bread or snacks. They harm fish and pollute water. Consistency is key. Make it a regular habit, like every Saturday or morning. Regular practice builds positive energy, like exercising a muscle. Combine feeding with spiritual activities, say a prayer, chant a mantra, or hold a positive thought. Wish for peace or ask the universe for help. After feeding, sit quietly and absorb the peaceful energy. Turn a simple act into a profound spiritual ritual. In astrology, everything is connected: planets, signs, and nature. Fish are linked to Jupiter, the planet of wisdom, fortune, and spirituality. Feeding fish honors Jupiter's energy, attracting growth and abundance. Neptune, ruler of oceans and dreams, is also connected. Feeding fish taps into intuition and the spiritual realm. Pisces, the sign of the fish, resonates deeply with this act, as do Cancer and Scorpio. But all signs benefit. Fire signs find peace. Earth signs connect to abundance. Air signs ground their energy. Feeding fish brings balance to your personal energy, no matter your sign. We've explored the ancient wisdom behind feeding fish, a tradition that has quietly shaped lives for centuries, passed down from generation to generation. This simple act is more than just a ritual. It balances karma, soothes the mind, invites fortune, remedies astrological troubles, and grows compassion. Each handful of food is a gesture of kindness, a silent prayer for peace, and a wish for harmony in the world. Feeding fish is a tool available to everyone, simple, peaceful, profound. No matter your background or beliefs, you can take part in this universal act of giving. Sometimes the biggest solutions are found in the smallest actions. A single moment of kindness can echo far beyond what you see. You don't need to wait for a miracle. You can create your own, one small act at a time. Every offering is a step toward a brighter future. All you need is a handful of flour, a body of water, and good intentions. The tools are simple, but the impact can be profound. This is your challenge. Try it for yourself. Step outside, find a pond or river, and take a moment to connect with nature and your own heart. Notice the changes in your life. Watch how your mood shifts, how your worries lighten, and how hope quietly grows within you. Each time you feed the fish, you send a ripple of hope into the universe. That ripple may seem small, but it carries your intentions far and wide. That ripple starts with you, but it touches everything, spreading kindness, healing, and possibility wherever it goes. You have the power to make a difference, not just for yourself, but for the world around you. When you feel lost or stuck, remember the fish, the calm of the water, and the power in your hands. Even the smallest gesture can bring clarity and hope. Go to the water's edge, make your offering, and watch the universe respond. The world is always listening. The game of life is always on. This is a smart move for your soul. Every act of giving is a step toward inner strength and resilience. Go out, dig deep, and start creating your own ripples of hope. Join a tradition that unites people across cultures and generations. You have what it takes to survive and to thrive. Let your actions speak, and let your hope ripple out into the world.